Hello.
Hello, sir.
Shashank, good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
So today we'll discuss the questions present in the textbook. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So the question says we need to accept the character, okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
from the user and check if it is uppercase or lowercase. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we also need to check if it is digit or special character. Uppercase,
Yes.
lowercase, or digit or special
Special character.
character. How do I do that? First, we need to accept the data from the user. For that,
Yes,
we
sir.
use scanner class.
Scanner class. Yes, sir.
And after extracting it, first we will check whether it is a letter or not. If
Yes,
it is
sir.
letter, then we check is it an uppercase letter or lowercase letter.
Yes, sir.
So it scores something like this, right? So example, let me write MS bit. So tell me what we should first. We need to accept the
Accept the
character from the user.
character. Yes.
Then check is it a letter
Letter
or is it a digit?
digit. Yes.
If it is neither a letter nor a digit, then what it could be?
It could be a letter, digit, or special character.
Special character. Okay.
Yes.
If it is letter, again two possibilities. Either is in uppercase or it is in the lowercase. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll see how to test it. How to accept the user input from the user. Use scanner class.
Scanner class.
Is equal to new
scanner
system dot in. And we will give an information to the user what he or she has to do. Okay.
Yes.
I will say please enter a character.
Yes.
And here I'll write a code called ICSE. I hope you know that we don't have
Yes.
any method to accept a character. For that, we have to do a little circus. First, we need to accept a string. Then we have to say caret. You remember this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let us say this is a character.
Yes, sir.
So when we accept the character first, what we need to check? Is it a letter or not?
Letter or a digit?
How to check if it is a letter? We have a method. Okay, we will convert this into character.
Yes, sir.
Characters. Let's say some variable. This is a character C. This is a character C1 is equal to C.
Yes.
This is boxing. What are we doing here?
Boxing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or you can say an input, whatever you say. Now I want to check the condition. What is the condition? If input dot is letter. Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Not input, or we will say character. Is letter. So no need to do this. We will use that method directly. Then else if, what we need to check?
Yes, sir.
What is the next thing we need to check?
Character is digit.
Very good. Then
after that, if a boolean value.
Okay. No, here there cannot be boolean. It is just a letter. Remember?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
Correct,
Yes.
right? Hmm.
Yes, sir.
And here again, I need to check whether it is an uppercase or not. Correct.
Yes, sir.
How to
Yes.
check it?
If character is uppercase,
Is uppercase.
uppercase.
Else, it
Else
has to
if
be lowercase only. No need to check the
lowercase.
condition. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So when the control comes here, what is the meaning of it? Given
Given character is
character
uppercase.
is
Uppercase.
uppercase. Here,
Yes, sir.
hmm.
Given character is lowercase.
Hmm.
Given character is digit.
Hmm.
After that, given character is not a digit. Special character. Yes.
Correct.
Sir, or else it can be blank space also.
Yes, it can be
White
blank
space.
space also.
Yes,
But
sir.
unfortunately, in the textbook, they have written this.
Okay, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
actually speaking, what you said is absolutely correct. We need to write
Yes.
one more condition. What is that one more condition? Tell me.
If character
Character dot is
is
space.
special.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Space, it is not there. What was the method?
Why? 1 second.
White space we will
White
use.
space. Yes.
We'll use. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And don't forget to close it. Okay, let us test it. We'll test all possibilities.
Yes, sir.
Scenario number 1, I'll give capital letter A. What it says?
It's an upper character.
We'll give one small t. What it should say?
Lower character.
Lower character. I'll give some number. What it should say?
Is digit.
It is a digit. Let me give, okay, some space. A space it will not accept. We have to type something. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, wait a second. So that is the reason it is not there. So we'll do
Yes.
one thing here. We'll type $1 symbol.
Yes.
What it says? Character is
Special
a
character.
special character. Now
Yes.
in scanner class, when I run it, if I press a tab and press enter, is it taking?
No.
No. So unfortunately, scanner class will never accept space.
White spaces.
It will. So you need to type something. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Now tell me, is it necessary to write this code?
No, sir.
No. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
We'll write this. Are we clear with this question?
Yes, sir.
Program also.
Yes, sir.
Next, it says you need to accept a character. Then you need to
No.
change the case and you need to print the ASCII value also.
Yes, sir.
That was the question.
Yes.
So what is the second question says? Accept character, change its case.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir. Yes,
And
sir.
print its ASCII value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of it? Example. Imagine I give an input as A.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what it has to do.
Like it should convert it into capital A.
Capital A. And also
ASCII value.
ASCII value of A. What is ASCII value of
97.
capital?
97.
It should print. Easy na?
Yes, sir.
Let's see how to do that.
Sir, like ASCII value of capital A is 65.
65. Whatever it is, we'll figure it out. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here our assumption is user will enter only letter. That was our
Yes.
assumption. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, so tell me, if I enter capital A, what it should do?
It should convert it into small a.
And print ASCII value of it.
ASCII
Correct.
value. Yes, sir.
How to do this? Tell me. If
First, if a character
first we need to check, is it in uppercase or smaller case, isn't it?
lowercase. Yes, sir.
What shall I do?
Is uppercase or
Is
lowercase?
uppercase.
Yes, sir.
If the control comes here, what is the meaning?
If it
It
is
is in
upper,
uppercase, correct?
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Now we need to convert into
Lowercase.
how to convert that into lowercase?
Character is
Character dot
lowercase.
to
Two lowercase. Yes, sir.
lowercase. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. If it is coming here, it means it is in lowercase. I want to convert into uppercase.
Uppercase. Yes.
Tell me, how do I do that?
If character is lowercase.
It's already there now. If it is comes to else, understood it is in a lowercase. No need to check
Yes,
the
sir.
condition.
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
what I should do.
To uppercase.
To uppercase. Easy.
Yes, sir.
We'll test it. Example, I'll give capital A. It should get converted into smaller case A.
Small. Yes, sir.
I'll give some capital P. It should get converted into smaller case P. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But what else they're asking?
ASCII code.
ASCII values. How to print the ASCII value? How to get the ASCII value of this?
To get ASCII value.
Hmm.
Like 1 second, sir.
Auto widening.
Sir.
Auto
Widening.
widening, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Character, if you convert into int, how it will store?
It will store as ASCII code.
ASCII code only,
Yes,
isn't it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Let us write the same code here. Wait, I think here it is U. Hey, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Let's run. Let us capital A convert into smaller case A. Smaller K ASCII value is
97.
Similarly, when I run it, okay, smaller case, so let's say some B, convert to capital B, which is 66.
Yes, sir.
Easy now. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can also add one more code. What is that? Okay. Here you need to example, assume that I'll enter a number. 8, I'll enter it. Tell me
Yes,
what is
sir.
happening. It is printing 8 and it is printing the
8.
ASCII value of 8. Remember
Yes,
this.
sir.
Here, if you want, you can put a condition. What is the condition? If
Yes, sir.
character in the textbook, it is not done, but I'm writing it. Okay. I'll say is letter. What is that? Is letter. If it is not a letter,
Yes, sir.
I will print a message. What is that?
It is not a letter.
Invalid input.
Invalid input.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
I'll enter some 7. It says invalid input. If it will accept only the
Character.
letters.
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Super. Is it teaching is fast?
No, sir. Sir, like here they have given they have written all this thing also.
Which one?
Like 1 second, sir. Like here system.out.println, the uppercase of bracket open plus chr, everything.
That is for printing purpose they have done, which is not required.
Okay, sir.
I'm simplified it and writing it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in the textbook they have done a lot of character and all, which is actually not required. You can write
Yes,
it
sir.
like this, it will print as it is. I hope you can see this output, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes.
I know they did too much of concatenation. They have asked one more question. What is that? Sum of 10 characters. What is the meaning of it? You need to take the characters A,
Characters.
B, C, D.
Yes, sir.
Take the ASCII value of it and add it. That is
Add
what you
them.
want to do it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let us do one
Yes.
thing. Let us see how to print the 10 letters. We will see.
Yes.
Int I is equal to. Okay.
Yes.
I will write a 65.
Yes. Yes.
I less than or is equal to 75.
Yes.
I plus plus.
Yes.
Let me write SOP of I.
Yes, sir.
Any idea what it will print?
Like 8 B C D.
What I'm printing?
ASCII.
Where? What
like
I'm printing?
65.
No. What I'm printing?
I.
I is what?
Int. Okay.
So it will print as it is. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
To print it letter, I need to convert this into. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to convert.
Uh, Character C equal to
Mm.
uh, character C equal to 1 second, sir.
How to convert a number into character, ASCII into character.
Uh, character A at char at.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
What is it called as? Narrowing.
Yes, sir.
Converting bigger data type into
Near
smaller
data
data
type.
type. Now let us see the output. Tell me now, is it printing ABCD now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, it is printing it. And so now you can add them. Okay, how to add it? Int sum is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
And here you can write sum is equal to sum plus that I value, whatever it is here. And after that, you can print SOP of sum. It will add those numbers and print some number.
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And sum of 10 character we have done. Accept the character and count the number of uppercase and lowercase characters. Okay. Count the number of uppercase and lowercase character in given inputs. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
First, I need to ask them how many inputs you want to give.
Yes, sir.
How many inputs?
Input.
They will say some number.
Yes,
Here
sir.
I'll write a code. SC dot
Next.
next int.
Int.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now I need to ask them to enter so many times the character. Int I is equal to 1, I less than or is equal to n, I plus
Plus.
plus. Here I'll ask the character. Okay. How to
Yes, sir.
accept the character? We already know. I'll take this code.
Yes, sir.
And here let me print it without doing anything. System.out.println and see. Tell me when I run it, what it will ask.
It will ask how many inputs.
Imagine I'll enter 3.
Yes, sir.
What I will enter? 3.
3.
That 3 will be stored in
N.
n. Now for loop will run how many times?
1 time.
Why 1 time?
Only I equal to 1.
Here?
Like I, 3. I less than equal to N.
What is n value?
N value is 3. So 2
So
times.
3 times here is equal to, less than or is equal to.
Yes. Yes,
Starting
sir.
from 1 till the n. 3 times it will run. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
3 times it will ask me to enter the character. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, 3. A, B, C. Over?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I say 10,
10 times.
10 times.
Yes, sir.
Understood what it is doing?
Yes, sir.
In that, what is the enter question?
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Uppercase to number of uppercase and
Number of
lowercase.
lowercase character. For this, I'll use one count.
Yes, sir.
Int, I will say lowercase LC count.
Yes, sir.
Int uppercase UC count.
Yes.
How do I check whether the given letter is uppercase or smaller case?
Uh,
Tell me.
if character is uppercase.
Is
Uppercase.
uppercase. If it is uppercase, I will increase uppercase count.
Yes, sir.
Else,
Else,
I will
if
increase
character is
lowercase count.
lowercase.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And here finally I will tell you number of uppercase character. and I'll write number of lowercase character.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Example. I can keep it here. I'll run it. Tell me what it is asking.
Inputs, number of inputs.
I'll say 4.
Yes, sir.
Now, I need to enter the letters
Yes, sir.
A,
Yes, sir.
B, C, D. Tell me how many uppercase letter I have entered, how many smaller case letter I have entered.
Uppercase is 1, smaller case is 3.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Understood how it is working?
Yes, sir.
First, I'll enter 4.
Yes,
Count is
sir.
0 for both of them. For loop will
Yes, sir.
run 4 times. It will ask the character. I will enter one letter.
Yes,
It will
sir.
check it is an uppercase or lowercase. If it is uppercase, it will increment the uppercase count. If it is
Yes, sir.
not, it will increase the lowercase count. Finally, it will tell me how many of them.
Yes, sir.
Let us test it. Let's say 5.
Yes, sir.
I'll say A, B, C, D, E. Now tell me how many uppercase, how many is lowercase?
Uppercase is 5, lowercase is 0.
0.
Yes, sir.
Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Understood this code?
Yes, sir.
Next. So there was a question where if I enter two different numbers, example 10 and 20,
Yes.
it should print by joining them, not adding them.
Joining concatenation.
Concatenation we should do.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we will do, let us tell them to enter two numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How do I do that? Please enter a number. N1. Then I'll write one more code. What does it tell me? Please enter
The second number.
second number.
Yes, sir. And
But normally, when I write SOP, N1 plus N2, tell me what it does.
it will add off.
It will add it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Let us test it. Tell me, is it adding?
Yes, sir.
But what interviewer are asking? What
They're asking
exam?
to join.
Join them. How to
Yes.
do that? Okay, many ways to do that. Okay, number one. We use an option. I hope you remember integer.
Integer.
Integer we have one method is there. Tell me what is the method?
ToString.
ToString. I'll give n1.
Yes, sir.
I'll say s1 is equal to. Tell me what is happening. Converting integer into string.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, let me write one more. What is that? S2. Easy na?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll print SOP S1 plus S2.
S2.
Ayyo, sorry. Tell me what it does now.
It will concatenate.
10, 20. Tell me, is it concatenating?
Yes, sir.
This is one way of doing it.
Yes, sir.
Another easiest way is, see this? SOP.
Yes.
You take N1 concatenated with the string, then you concatenate with N2.
Yes, sir.
Anything concatenated with the string will become a string only.
Okay. Yes,
Let
sir.
me show both the example. Tell me, is it both the outputs are same?
Yes, sir.
Here we are converting into string, then concatenating it. Here while concatenation only, it is getting it.
Yes, sir.
Any number, if you say plus with the string, that will also become a string.
Okay.
So any number with a string will also become a string.
String.
Since it is a string, it will get joined rather than added.
Yes, sir.
Easy na? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Shashank, is it teaching is fast?
No, sir.
Oh. So the next question was, I think they're asking you to print A to Z and 1 to 26.
Yes, sir.
What you need to print? A to Z and
A to Z
1
and
to.
1 to 27.
We already know how to print A to Z.
Yes, sir.
How did you do that? Tell me. Where is that? Here we printed. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes,
We
sir.
will repeat that. Oh, tell me. For int
For int I,
hmm,
65 to
hmm,
96.
I less than or is
Then
equal
equal
to
to 96.
I
Yes.
65 plus 20. How much?
65 plus 26, no, sir. Like A
65
to
plus
Z.
20. 75,
20 means
85.
85, 85.
85 plus 5.
90.
Okay. So how many letters are there in English?
26.
So 65 plus 26 is how much? 91.
91.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Not 96. See, in between there are some other special characters are there. Huh?
Okay.
Observe,
Yes, sir.
observe. How to convert this number into character? You tell me, please.
Character C equal to
Hmm,
char.
hmm. I.
After that, I. Yes, sir.
That is printed. Tell me, is it printing till Z?
Yes, sir.
Here we will say less than 90. Tell me, is it printing A to Z?
Yes, sir.
And they are also asking you to print number also.
Number also. Yes, sir.
Int n is equal to I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I print 1, 2, 3, 4? If it is
1 to
65, I want to print 1. If it is 66, I want to print 2. If it is 67, I want to print 3. What shall I do?
so like I equal to no, I minus 1 second.
If it is 65, I want to print 64. So I want to print 1. Sorry, I want to print 1. What shall I do?
1 second. Like you have to minus, sir.
Minus how much? 64.
64. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? SOP N. See this here. Now I'll
Yes.
print them together. How do I do that? Let me run. Tell me, is it printing?
Yes, sir.
Why 65? Because ASCII value starts from there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Till 91.
Yes,
Or you
sir.
can say less than or is equal to 90 if you want it. Huh?
Yes.
Including
Yes, sir.
65 actually.
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of this code?
To convert like the numbers into characters.
Characters.
Yes, sir.
This is to print a serial number 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
If it is 65, I want to print 1. So only way is 64. Difference,
Yes,
64 difference, you will print it.
yes, sir.
Easy na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they asked one more question. Print A to Z and capital A to Z. It's very easy. Tell me how to do that.
Like first, you have to print 64, like not 64. 1 second, sir. That the code is
What it is printing? Hmm?
yes, sir.
Capital A to Z, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So here, I don't know how much to write it. In such cases, simply write 65 plus 26.
Yes, sir.
But it will print one extra letter because it is including 65. So that is the reason here I should write 65.
25. Yes.
25. Okay, now tell me, what about capital letters? Where they start from?
Capital letters they start from, no, small letters they start from 97.
Small letters, correct?
Yes, sir.
Let
Yes,
me
sir.
print. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Let's run. Tell me, is it printing small letter A to Z?
Yes, sir.
Then it is printing capital A
Letter
to Z.
A to Z. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
97 to whatever it is. Just add it and print it. If you don't know, just write plus 90. You need to remember
Yes,
the
sir.
starting numbers.
Yes, sir.
Small letter A, 97. Capital A,
97.
65.
65.
Plus
Yes, sir.
25. How much? I don't know. Just print it. It will work.
Yes, sir.
Easy na?
Yes, sir.
No, they ask you to print some pattern also. Shashank, did you understand this? You want me to
Yes,
repeat
sir.
this?
No, sir, I understood it.
Very good. Let me create a class, demo 8. Question was something like this. You need to print a pattern. Okay, what is that? A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 E. It's a triangle pattern we want to print.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, first we will do one thing. First we'll write a normal program for. Tell me how many rows?
Uh, 5 rows.
5 rows. For int I is equal to 1,
Um,
I
I
less than or is equal to 5,
into 5
I
plus
plus
plus.
plus.
Yes, sir.
It will take care of row.
Yes, sir.
Now let us hypothetically assume the column.
Yes,
First
sir.
we'll go with the normal column. What is that
Yes.
normal column? Let us see here. What is the maximum column?
5.
5. It is something like this. A, B, 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 B,
Yes,
C,
sir.
C, 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 D, 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 E. Huh?
Yes,
But
sir.
before achieving it, let us achieve a normal code. What is that? I don't know. A. I will write, okay, everywhere the same letter.
Yes, sir.
A, 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 A. We'll do ulta, huh?
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many rows, how many columns?
5 rows, 5
5
columns.
columns. Let's write one more
Yes.
for loop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For int j is equal to 1,
1
j less
J
than or is equal to 5,
5
j
plus
plus
plus.
plus.
Yes, sir.
System dot out dot println. I will say a.
Yes, sir.
5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Totally how many a I have? 25 a I
25.
have.
Yes,
It will
sir.
print 25a, but unfortunately it will print one below the other. Why it will
Yes.
print one below the other? Because of println.
Print ln. Next
So
line.
now
So
I'll write
print.
print.
Print. Yes,
It
sir.
will print 25, but in same line.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, is it printing everything in same line?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give a break for it. This will print a. How many a it will print?
Like 5 times it.
5 times. After that, what it will print?
It will print like column
Next
wise
line.
5. Yes, sir.
Println is for going to next line.
Okay, sir.
So let execute. Now tell me, is it printing?
Yes, sir.
Did we achieve this one?
Yes, sir.
Now we need to achieve this one. What is the difference between these two? Tell me.
Here only it
Here
was
everywhere letter A, but here each row the letter changes, isn't it?
changes. Yes, sir.
For that, let us depend on the ASCII value of it.
Yes, sir.
Let us see how to do that. Look at this carefully. Here, we know that what is the ASCII value?
ASCII value is 65.
65. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So let me write some number. Int n is equal to what is that?
65.
65. We will convert this into character. Character C is equal to character of n.
N. Yes, sir.
Here it will print n.
Yes, sir.
Now also it will print a only.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Sorry. It will print C.
Yes.
Tell me, is it printing a?
Yes, sir.
But now what I will do, after printing, I will increment the n value.
Yes, sir.
Initially it is 65. 65 will become?
66.
So first A, then A will become B.
B.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us tell me, is it incrementing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I don't want to increment for every letter. It should keep it as it is. For this
Yes, sir.
reason, I'll put this n plus plus here.
Yes, sir.
First A, second B, something like that. See that? Tell me, is it first row is completely A?
Yes, sir.
How it works? N value?
65.
I is 1, it will enter.
Yes,
J
sir.
is also 1, it will enter.
What it will enter? Yes, sir.
Convert 65 into letter A, print it.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, J will become 2.
Yes, sir.
Again, same 65 only, print A, print A, print A. How many times it will run?
5 times.
After printing 5A, control comes here, it will change 65 to
66.
66. Go to the next line. Again, control comes back, enter inside. This time, what is the n value? 66.
66.
It will become B
Yes, sir.
and prints it. Is enough.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Did we achieve it?
Yes, sir.
Now we need to achieve the final result. What is that?
A, B,
Here,
D,
first time, how many A?
1,
Here,
2.
then, so number of letters are increasing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See this. I'll just copy paste it. Very simple. Here, every time, how many letter it is printing?
5 letters.
Instead of that, I'll give I.
I. Yes, sir.
Initial I value is what?
1.
It will run one time.
Yes, sir.
Second time I value will become
2.
this will run 2 times.
Yes,
Then
sir.
3 times.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, is it working?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to repeat it?
No, sir. I understand.
Very good. One more question they asked, but in that the question it is slightly different. What is that? Same program,
Yes.
but here A, again from A, every time it has to restart from A.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, D.
C, D.
Here
A, B, C, D, E.
E, something.
Yes,
How
sir.
do I do that? Every time it should start from where?
A.
A. Then it has to get increment.
Yes, sir.
I is 1.
Yes, sir.
N is 65.
Yes, sir.
Since I is 1, it will run only once.
Yes, sir.
It will print A.
Yes, sir.
So again, it will go back. Again, A, N will be reset back to 65.
65.
So this time I value is 2. For loop will run how many times?
For loop will run 2 times.
2 times. First time 65, which is A. Incremented
Yes, sir.
66, it will print B.
Yes, sir.
Like this, it will execute.
Oh, yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you want to trace it?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Super. Okay. Now,
Yes.
so this much is enough. I will share this program. Go through it.
Yes.
Go through your textbook also.
Yes, sir.
In case if you could not able to understand anything, you let me know.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Well in advance. If
Yes,
required,
sir.
tomorrow we'll connect and discuss that. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So as per the textbook, I covered the content.
Yes, sir.
But the way I discussed is different than the way it is present in the textbook.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please read the complete textbook.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubts on any of those, you let me
Okay,
know.
sir.
We'll connect and discuss it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you have to
Okay,
inform me
sir.
well in advance. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Super. I'll share all this in the WhatsApp.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.